So, Alhamdulillah, we have done Qalqalah, and now these heavy letters. In Arabic, al-huruf al-mufakhama. They are collected in the phrase khussa daghtin qiz.
Yes.
Like it was this way. Once you just pronounce yourself. Khussa.
Khussa daghtin qiz.
Yes, khussa daghtin qiz. And the order is kha sad dad ghain ta qaf za.
Yes.
This way. Khussa daghtin qiz. Okay, now the way of pronouncing the heavy letter. How to pronounce these letters? Now you just read it.
Okay. The heavy letters have the quality of istila, which is rising high.
Istila means rising high. Yes. Yeah.
Because while pronouncing them, a part of the tongue, mostly
Yes.
the
back part rises up to the roof.
To the roof makes the letter sound heavy.
Yes, like you say ha, ha. So when you say ha, the back parts of the tongue goes up, rises high, up to the roof. Ha, ha. And next one is sad. Sad, sad. So feel it, say and feel. Sad, the back part. Bod. Yes, bod.
Bod.
Better, mashallah. Ghain.
Ghain.
Ta.
Ta.
And qaf. Qaf. Qaf.
Qaf.
Za.
The.
Za. Yes. Alhamdulillah. Once again, you repeat this text.
The way of pronouncing heavy letter. The heavy letters have the quality of istila, which means rising high. Because while pronouncing them, a part of the tongue, mostly the back part of the tongue, rises up to the roof to make the letter sound heavy.
You know, this word is isti'la. In English, this is written istila, but this one is isti'la, this type.
Isti'la.
I think you know these patterns. You have learned surf?
Yeah.
Isti'la.
Fa'ala.
Yes, this pattern is istif'al. Istif'al. Istif'al, isti'la. Yes, mashallah. Okay, al-huruf al-muraqqaqa. Light letters.
Al-huruf al-muraqqaqa.
Muraqqaqa, light letters. All the letters other than the heavy letters and the temporary heavy and light letters. All those are light. But two letters are temporary. Temporary, like sometimes they are heavy or sometimes they are light.
So
okay, let's know about them. The way of pronouncing light letters. First read this.
The light letters have the quality of istifal, falling down, by lowering the tongue when pronouncing the light letter.
Yes, like we say as. Hamza, fatha, sin, sukun, as. Yes. And sheen also, we have done the ayah. Ashtatan li yuraw, raw. When we recited yuraw, so it rise higher to the roof. Yeah. Raw. And then a'malahum. So falling down. Istifal.
Yeah.
Yes. Alif mad.
The quality of alif mad being heavy or light
Let
depends
me
on
know
the
one
letter.
more. Yeah, let me tell you one more thing. You know, the temporary letters are lam and ra.
Line,
Lam and
raw.
ra. So, if there is fatha, dhamma, and kasra, and also this should be lam of Allah or Allahumma. Not every lam. Just Allah or
Allah.
Allahumma. Yes. If it's the lam of Allah and Allahumma, sometimes it becomes heavy or sometimes it becomes light.
Light.
Allahumma. When it's heavy or light, if the lam of Allah is followed by fatha or dhamma, it becomes heavy. And when there is kasra before it, so it is light.
Light.
Remember, before it,
Yeah.
not on the lam, because on the lam of Allah always there is standing fatha, small alif, alif saghira. So if there is fatha or dhamma before lam of Allah or Allahumma,
Okay. Ji.
they are heavy. If there is kasra before it, so lam of Allah and Allahumma is going to be light. Like
Light.
A'udhu billahi.
A'udhu billahi.
Yes. So there is kasra before Allah under ba. Billahi.
Billahi.
And dhamma Rasulullah. Muhammadur Rasulullah. So dhamma before it, it's heavy.
It's heavy.
Okay, and Allah. Fatha before it, Allah. So Hamza has a fatha. Lam of Allah is heavy. Okay, and Allahumma. Subhanaka Allahumma. We read this dua in the beginning of prayer, of salah.
Sana, right?
Yes, sana. The dua name is sana. Subhanaka Allahumma. So, if there is fatha or dhamma before lam of Allah and Allahumma, lam of Allah and Allahumma are heavy. And if there is kasra before the lam of both of them, so these are light. In case of ra, if ra has fatha or dhamma on itself, it is heavy. And if it has a kasra under it, it's light. Okay?
Yeah.
And if the ra is sakin, so now we have to see the haraka, which haraka is coming before it. The rule is also similar, like Allah and Allahumma. If there is kasra or if there is fatha or dhamma before ra sakin, so ra sakin is heavy. If there is kasra before ra sakin, the ra sakin is light.
Light.
And sometime, like we suppose a word fajr, like wal fajri wa layalin ashr. Fajr. So fa has jim. Jim is sakin already.
Ji.
And there is a haraka, like, let me make it wal fajri. Okay, wal fajri. So wal, we stop here, so we make it sakin, wal fajr. And surai sakin, and the jim is already sakin. So now we have to see which haraka is on the third letter.
Yeah.
So it's fatha. The ra of fajr is gonna be heavy. Wal fajr. Wal fajr.
Wal fajr.
Yes. If it would have dhamma,
yeah,
also heavy, ra is heavy. And if there would be kasra, the ra would be
light.
Light. Perfect, mashallah. So these are all these three rules of ra. When it becomes heavy or light. And these are the rules of the lam of Allah and Allahumma. Other than all the lam, except lam of Allah and Allahumma, all the lams are light. Okay.
Ji.
And one more thing, if the ra has ya sakin before it, ya has
Sakin.
ra sakin, ya sakin.
Ar-Rahim.
Yes, like Rahim and Khabir.
Khabir.
Okay.
Ji.
So always if there is ya sakin before ra, it doesn't matter fatha before it or dhamma or kasra, whatever. The ra will be light always.
Khabir.
Like Khabir.
Khabir.
Okay. Even
Yeah.
if we write, if we just draw, if we write here Khair, fatha before. Okay.
Yeah.
Khair.
Khair.
It was khairun, so we made it khair. Duty stop. We made it duty stop. Khair. So fatha
Khair.
before ya, but
Yeah.
because
Sakin.
ya sakin, ra is followed by ya.
Yeah.
Ya sakin. So it's gonna be light.
Light.
Alhamdulillah. So we're gonna do aliful mad next time, inshallah.
Inshallah.
It was something unique today.
जी.
आज कुछ नया किया हमने, मतलब कुछ
जी.
रूल्स थे जो हम पहले नहीं कर पाए इन दिनों में. यहाँ पे हमने कलकला किया था. ये 3 टाइप का कलकला है. अगर मिडिल लेटर जो है वो साकिन है तो वीक वाला कलकला रहेगा, सदरक. और अगर लास्ट लेटर को साकिन किया जा रहा है, वर्ड के लास्ट लेटर को, तो स्ट्रॉन्ग वाला कलकला रहेगा, अहद, समद. और अगर कलकला लेटर जो है वो द लेटर ऑफ कलकला इज द लास्ट letter of the word and it has also a shadda sign on it, shadda, so it becomes a strongest, like wal hajj, al haqq. And many people say tabbat yada abi lahab wa tab. No, wa tab.
Yeah. Wa tab.
Yeah, we have qalqalah, we have done it also, alhamdulillah. Means vibration. It is the vibration of sound at the end of the pronunciation of.
Qaf ta ba jim dal.
Yes. Qaf ta ba jim dal. And the collection is qutbu jad.
Qutbu jad.
Qutbu
Jad.
jad. I have. Yes. Okay, now inshallah ta'ala. So देखते हैं अगली क्लास में क्या रहेगा, अब कितना वक्त हमारे पास होगा उसके हिसाब से हम आगे तजवीद का रूल करेंगे. वो 3 सूराज आपको करनी है. माशाल्लाह आप काफी उर्दू समझ लेते हैं. चले, बहुत बेहतर है. ठीक है, अपना ख्याल रखें, दुआ में याद रखें. खास तौर से आपने सुना होगा इधर कुछ ममालिक में अर्थक्वेक आया है, जलजला, तो बहुत नुकसान हुआ है. अल्लाह रब्बुल आलमीन जो मरहुमीन है उनकी मग़फ़िरत फरमाए, और जो नुकसान हुआ है अल्लाह रब्बुल आलमीन उसका इज़ाला फरमाए, और ताउन अपनी जो है मदद गैबी फरमाए उम्मत मुस्लिमा के साथ इंशाअल्लाह. ओके, बारकल्लाहु फीक. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. इंशाअल्लाह. वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि.